Director General of Police L.R. Bishnoi on Friday said that the police department has taken corrective measures on the mistakes pointed out by the High Court when it comes to the alleged illegal transportation of coal. Talking to reporters, he however said that it is difficult to dominate each and every inch areas of the state due to shortage of manpower. According to him, the police are trying to dominate the routes where there is an attempt for illegal transportation of coal. On the law and order front, DGP said that the law and order situation is more or less peaceful. He further said that they are getting full cooperation from the people, stating that militancy is not lowest ever. The DGP said that the police have to be ready for the future challenges.
Taking charge of different departments. A leader is...
Now we are going as per the Honorable High Court orders. Wherever the mistakes are pointed out, we are trying to plug the loopholes. But again, the area is so much and the police strength is not proportionately adequate to dominate each and every inch of the land of the states. So sometimes, through the jungle routes, etc., some may indulge in transportations of illegal coal, etc. So for that also, we are trying to dominate it by the patrollings. So by and large, it's under control now.
Education Minister Rakam A.